Khalil, and then sorry sa istorbo, medyo na ano ko yung activity nyo, parang ongoing na yung excitement nyo, but then naputol. Pero mapapalitan nyo ng mas excitement dahil nandito ang ating idol. Okay, si Sir Ian Barcelona. Okay, he's one of the most successful person na nakilala ko. Okay, one of my idol actually. Yun. So, siguro, wala masyadong alam sa kanya, but then, but I know, okay, ayun, may nakakakilala din sa kanya dito. He's one of the most successful person nga sabi ko. So, siguro mas mabuti kung siya na yung magsasabi kung ano yung mga achievements niya sa buhay, ano yung mga narating niya, mga experiences niya. Inspire kayo, okay, to struggle more, study hard, and then, yung iba sa inyo na graduating para ma-inspire pa, mag-forsige pa. Graduation is not the end, beginning, ika nga nila. Okay, so with that, please help me welcome Sir Ian Barcelona.
Bumati ka muna. Before I give my piece, I'd like to introduce also a fellow, a business partner, a brother, a friend, also an accomplished youth leader during his time. His course was Navy Master from UP. But at the age of 15, 14, he was already a young broadcaster from ABS-CBN. At ang Filipino, okay, tapos he used to be a director of animation from Hero TV and other programs. He calls himself, or he's known as the voice master because he's got 1,000 voices.
Wow!
Okay? It's more than a voice sample. Hey, wala pa, sandali. Hindi pa. Dali mo, namoy lakad. So it's a voice, more than a voice talent or artist, a voice director. As a matter of fact, he created his own voice directing company called The Creative Voices.
Wow!
Alright? So he has traveled internationally representing our country.
Wow!
From Southeast Asian Youth Program, he's been to the United States. He's been awarded for his global youth initiatives. Alright? And actually, 5-7 years ago, we have our organization